What is up everybody, I hope you all are doing great, and the topic of today's video is how to order items from Pandabuy quick and easy. So here we are on pandabuy.com, and this online store provides us the opportunity to, as you can see, purchase orders, ship to warehouse, quality check, and then just global shipping to deliver our items to the customer. So it's all survives in one website, which is pretty cool. So according to this information, we can easily set up our online store. We can easily try to buy items for ourselves. So there are a lot of ways of how can we use Pandabuy, but basically how can we order items. So the process is quite simple, and the first tip I wanted to show you is that if we'll scroll to the top side here, in the right side we can easily change the language. So sometimes it could be even in the Chinese or something like this. So as you can see, nothing is like easy to read. So if you'll click here, we can easily switch to English, and moreover we can easily switch our currency to the US dollars. And as for me, it's much easier to interact with this website according to these settings. So now we have a search bar here where we can find for different products. We can easily find the product or shop if it's necessary. We can input the name, and we can also like add the images to search for images. As for me, it's also pretty cool. So if you found the product only with image and you don't even know how to name it, you can just simply create a screenshot and then just click on it right up here. So let's try to find something. For example, let's try to find maybe t-shirt. So let's click on search, and in a few seconds we'll find all the amount of different products. So I'm going to try to find this shirt maybe. Yeah, and as you can see, now we have a lot of stuff we can easily buy, and we can also find all the information. So for example, the number of sales, small information about the product, and also the price. Also we can easily try to filter them. We can filter them by price, by sales, by reputation. And what's really interesting as for me is to try to switch to the Chinese yuan. So let's click on OK, and as you can see, the prices are changing, so it's pretty cool. It's pretty easy to understand. And if you'll click on the on this, for example, here, we can easily find the information, all the information. So we can find the information about shipping, like exclude international delivery. We can find the information about the size of which size can we find on this product here. And there is also option for buying. So we have like option to buy now, or we can add it to our cart. And as you can see in the right side, we have a small menu with app, with our cart, and also with customer support and so on. Let's try to click on buy now to buy this stuff. So we need to choose the category. Let it be this category here, this one, this color. And let's click on buy now. So make sure that we've selected all the necessary information. So let's click on buy now, agree with some rules, and let's click on buy now. So now we'll come to our basically confirm order page, and we have some tips. Please select the country you want to ship to, and the system will check if there are some available routes to ship to your country. So let's click on confirm, and basically we need to paste the destination right up here. So I'm going to use the USA, so it's pretty important. And then we need to basically scroll down to find some information. And also we need to click on I have read and agreed with some basically rules or some stuff. And then just click on submit order. And we'll come to the next page where we can find the thing where we can set up the payment. Basically we have a lot of stuff we can pay. We can pay with PayPal, with a credit card, with some Chinese stuff, also with a Stripe or bank cards. And there is like also Unipay or Wise. Sometimes it's also like really important. But for Stripe and for bank cards, we have like reminder: the shipping address on Stripe needs to be consistent with the Pandabuy parcel shipping address. So basically we can choose some other stuff here. So let's try to use Stripe and the bank cards, and let's click on confirm a payment. So we'll come to the next page where we need to set up the information about our card. And after that, everything will be okay, and we'll be able to add the shipping information. So basically we can do the same with, for example, credit card here. And if you'll click on confirm payment, we'll come to this page. So nothing hard. Basically every payment method has its own progress page where we need to set up all the information. For the WhatsApp, for example, we just simply need to add the code or something like this. So basically this is the way of how can we order. Nothing hard. Moreover, if we edit our item to the cart, we can now go to any page, and if you'll click on our icon in the right top corner, we can now go to order here, and we'll find all the stuff. So for example, I only have like one product here, but we can easily go to find something here. So we can find like maybe balls, for example. We can try to search for maybe this stuff here, and if you'll click, so we can easily add it to our cart. So let's click on add to cart. We need to select the category. Let it be add to cart, and it will be with this rule. So add to cart, and now we can find them in our orders area. So now we have like we should have the two things here. So maybe should be right up here. Yes, as you can see in our cart. So in this case, we can interact with every single object we have. We can find the balance information, we can find the card. It's all on the account area where we can manage all this stuff. Also, we can go to warehouse to find if it's like if you have some orders in our warehouse, you have some purchases in warehouse, and so on. So basically, the Pandabuy is pretty easy to understand and pretty easy to interact with. I honestly suggest you to try it by yourself. Nothing hard. You can easily translate it to English and then just find all the things. Maybe I didn't cover something in my video, so you can try to find it by your own. So this is about how can we order items on Pandabuy. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.